we're going to be playing kinetic sand, and Maddie's waiting for me to be done hiding the Legos, right, Maddie?
And then it's gonna be my turn.
Yeah, she's already done. She's just waiting for me to take hers up. We're going to be digging each other's. No, we're going to be digging each other's. So Maddie's gonna dig the blue one with that, and I'm going to be digging her orange one with this. And then we're going to be just digging for one. I might be taking it too difficult for Maddie, but I'm pretty sure Maddie can still do it though. There's some easy parts and some hard parts.
That's what you were talking about. I thought you were gonna. I was not gonna dig yours, and you were gonna dig both of them.
No.
I thought you were gonna do that.
It's not. No. Oh. Okay, so we're almost done here.
I'm gonna dig that one.
I'm just going to
hide. And she's gonna dig the orange that I'm doing.
She's just waiting patiently, so that's nice for her waiting patiently while I find some things to dig with out. What? Not dig out. No, not dig out. Not dig out. Okay, you guys know what I mean, right? If you guys don't, that's just the weirdest thing I've seen. Anyway, Maddie might explain. Okay, Maddie, I'm done. Come on.
Okay. Fade.
I gotta find the soft one first. We gotta put this in the middle, so we can both see. Both of us. Okay, so you're gonna see Maddie do it first. Maddie, go dig.
We got a little of this. Stop!
Oh, I found two. Okay, I found the rabbit and the bigot. Yeah, just wait, what? They got what? And I found the disgusting pail. Maddie found one of the Legos. Oh, Maddie, let me show you something before you smash it. Look. If you saw that, I don't know if you saw that. But you did. So Maddie's putting it back together. I found a lot. I found four so far.
And here's another Lego.
How much were the? There was 6.
We got another Lego here.
There was 6.
We got another Lego.
And I found all of them, so that was easy. Wait, I don't think I found all of them.
I found another Lego.
So I found all these sharp pins. Maddie, when you're done finding all of them, put them right here. Oh wait, put them on the lid. Then I'm going to show you
this
all.
Another Lego. And I found another one of a Lego. Like in this kind.
It's like, she still hasn't found the cup yet. Yeah, that's not. She still hasn't found the little cup. The cup is the last one, I think. Yeah, the cup is the last one. So she got this. Lego. Have you found the cup yet? Wait, she found it. And we call that the cup. That's the cup. That was water. So now we're going to show you all that we have got. It's everything we found, including the little cup. That's my favorite. So you get that. I hope you enjoyed the video.